Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can approve invoices in Tally integration by mapping the ledgers. So first of all, let us go to our Tally integration module. On your left hand side in the bottom you will see Tally integration module. Please click on this. Now once you will come in Tally integration module, please check we are on document approval. So in document approval, as you can see that 89 invoices are in pending. You need to approve them and move it to approved stage in order to generate the report, and then after you can integrate it in Tally. So suppose here I will select two of sales invoices and will approve it after doing the ledger mapping. So I have selected both the sales invoice. Right hand side very top you will see option of bulk approval. Please click on this and click on selected invoice. Once I will click on selected invoice, please check. So these both invoices are here, and as you can see that ledgers are auto selected as because I have already defined and set up my Tally ledgers. So that is the reason it is coming automatically here. So whatever the changes I need to do, I will go ahead and just make the changes, and accordingly I will click on approve. Now in the second invoice as well, I will go ahead and just make the changes. So this is as per the export sales and output is IGST. I will make the changes in GST sales and the output will be output IGST. I will select approve, and then going below you need to click on submit. Do remember that in the very beginning it will be in pending. You need to use the approve option in order to move it to approved list. Manual and reject will help. Like suppose if you will reject this, it will go in the rejected segment, or if you will select it in the manual, so it will remain there. So you need to click on submit after that. Once you will click on submit, please check after pending it is providing a notification that it will be moved to approve. Click on submit. Once you will click on submit, then accordingly those both invoices will move to the approved segment. Let me show you. So please check. As you can see that both of the sales invoices have been moved to the approved. Once I will click here, I can check both the sales invoices here. Now I will go ahead and generate the report, and accordingly I will get all the invoices which are in approved for integration, and I will use the Tally integration feature to integrate it. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you on how to move your invoices in approved after mapping the ledgers. Have a good day ahead.